In this video, I'm going to be showing you an app that can help you earn up to $600 and more. All you need to do is download the app on your phone for free or just go directly to the website and you will be making a lot of money. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need to create any videos. You don't need to refer anyone. You don't even need a website, and it is very easy to set up. You don't need any technical skills for this either. It doesn't take that long to sign up. The great thing is you can do this from any country in the world. Now, in order to make money on this website, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. But before we start, welcome to the channel, Teach Me Money Methods. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video online, you'll be updated with my new content. Now let's get back to the video. I'm going to be giving you a special tip at the end of this video, so stay tuned and I'll show you how you can double your earnings from $600 up to $1,000. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to make all that money for yourself. Now, the first website I'm going to be showing you is called Foap.com. Foap is basically a website that consists of a huge library of millions of different high quality and high resolution photos. Very popular brands and companies all over the world come to this website to buy photos. In general, there are basically two groups of people on this website. The first group are companies and brands who are looking to buy different photos, and every single day there are hundreds and even thousands of people, brands, and companies that come to this website looking for different photos to purchase. And the second group are the sellers, the people who upload the photos, and that's exactly how we're going to be making money on this website. And guys, if you don't want to be on camera or you don't want to upload your own photos, don't worry, you don't have to upload any of your own photos or be on camera. I'm going to be showing you some secret websites where you are going to find a lot of free, high quality and high resolution photos to upload on this website, all for free. So once you are on this website, you'll see that it is also available on both the Android and iOS platforms. If you have an Android phone, all you need to do is go to the Play Store and download the app. Make sure you spell the name correctly, as you can see right here. And if you have an iPhone, you can go to the Apple Store and get the app all for free. Back to the homepage. If we scroll all the way down, as you can see right here, simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. And right here, when a brand, agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or photo from your online Foap portfolio, we share the profit with you 50-50. Guys, this is legit, and once you upload your photos on this website, they will promote your photos and sell it immediately for you. So they take 50% and you take 50%. If you scroll down again, you'll see right here, take part in creative video and photo missions for brands and win hundreds of dollars. And right here it says, submitting a video or picture to one of our missions is an easy way to make your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos of pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the brand is after. If we still scroll all the way down, you can see right here that Foap.com is supported by all these big brands, as you can see right here. Now, to sign up on this website, all you need to do is go back up, and once you're here, click right here where it says sign in. And once you're here, click right here where it says don't have an account, register here. Once you do that, you will land on this page right here. All you need to do now is to sign up as a creator, not as a business. So put in your email address right here, or you can just easily sign up using your Facebook account. Once you are done, you will get a chance to start uploading your photos and start making a lot of money on this platform. It is very easy and simple to set up. So I will show you the entire library on this website right now. To see the library, click right here on the Foap image icon, and you will land on this page right here. As you can see right here, there is many high resolution and high quality photos that people just like you and I are selling on this website and making a lot of money. The greatest thing about this website is that once you upload photos on this platform, you continuously keep on making money weekly, monthly, and even yearly. So 5 or 6 years from now, you'll still be able to earn money continuously from this website. As long as Foap.com is still available on the internet, you will be getting paid all year round. This website has millions and millions of visitors browsing around to find different photos to buy. And once again, you don't need to upload any of your own personal photos on this website. Before we end this video, I'll be showing you some free websites to get free photos to use on this website. If we click on one of these photos right now, it will open up. And as you can see, this photo is selling for $10. So basically, as we said before, they are going to be sharing the profit with you 50%. And the reason is they sell the photos for you automatically without you doing any of the work or promotion yourself. They work with a lot of big brands, and they are going to automatically sell the photos that you upload on this website for you. Now, to make even more money other than just selling photos, all you need to do is click right up here where it says For Creators, and click on Active Missions right here, and you will be directed to this page. On this page, you will see a lot of new missions to take part in. As you can see right here, you can make up to $150 by just showing how you care for your hair with just a simple video. And this one right here, you can earn up to $400 by just uploading your very own photos. If we scroll down, you will see more missions to carry out and earn more money. Right here, you can earn up to $250 by just uploading photos that show sign of spring. If you scroll down again, we can see that there are a lot more missions to carry out on this website. So guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Now let's get back to the video. On this website, you also get the chance to upload your photos in different categories or collections, as you can see right here. We have the Holding Food collection, we have the Pregnant Women collection, we have the Delicious Pizza collection, and the rest. All you need to do is submit different photos under all these different collections, and you will stand a chance to make a lot of money on this website. Now, before I show you the secret websites where you can get free photos to upload on this site, I'll show you another similar website that is also similar to Foap.com. The website is called Shutterstock.com. So basically, this website is very similar compared to Foap. All you need to do is upload high quality and high resolution photos and start making money. To sign up, all you need to do is click right up here where it says sign up, and you will be redirected to this page. You can sign up with your email address, or you can sign up using your Google account or Facebook account. Now, I'm going to be revealing to you some of the websites you can get free photos to upload on to these websites. The first website is called burst.shopify.com. On this website, you can download very high resolution images. If we scroll all the way down, you will see that we have a lot of photo collections on this website to choose from. All you need to do is to download these photos and re-upload them onto Foap.com and Shutterstock.com. You can upload the photos on Foap.com and Shutterstock.com and still make a lot of money. You don't need to change anything. The next website is called PicWizard.com. All you need to do is search for the picture categories you want and download and re-upload them to Foap.com and Shutterstock.com. Now, the final and last website that I'm going to be showing you is called Pexels.com. This website also has a lot of high-resolution photos for you to download and reuse. All you need to do is just pick a category and search for that category and download the pictures and use them to upload on Foap and Shutterstock. And from there, you can be making money year in and year out. And that's it, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be updated with my new content. I'll see you in the next video.